Ever felt overwhelmed by subscription overload? It seems like every software these days wants a piece of your monthly budget. But what about Zoho, the all-in-one business suite? Can you snag their powerful tools with a simple monthly commitment, or are you locked into a longer contract? Let's face it, running a business requires juggling a million tasks. From managing finances to keeping track of projects and collaborating with your team, the right software can make all the difference. Zoho throws its hat in the ring, offering a vast array of applications, from CRM and email to accounting and project management. But here's the burning question. Can you leverage Zoho's features with the flexibility of a monthly payment plan? We're diving deep into Zoho's subscription options today, cracking the code on their pricing structure and uncovering the truth about monthly subscriptions. So, buckle up, business warriors. Here's your roadmap to navigating Zoho's subscription landscape. Zoho's Subscription Symphony. A chorus of options. First things first, Zoho doesn't operate with a single, one-size-fits-all subscription plan. Instead, they offer a variety of applications, each with its own pricing structure. This can be a good thing, allowing you to pick and choose the tools your business truly needs. Here's where things get interesting. Zoho provides both monthly and annual billing options for most of its applications. This means you have the freedom to pay as you go, enjoying the flexibility of a monthly commitment. However, there's a catch, isn't there always? While monthly plans exist, they often come at a premium compared to their annual counterparts. Zoho typically incentivizes annual subscriptions with significant discounts. Sometimes, these discounts can be as high as 40 to 50%, making the annual option a much more cost-effective choice in the long run. Decoding the details. A deep dive into popular Zoho apps. Let's dissect some of Zoho's most popular applications and their subscription models. Zoho CRM. This customer relationship management powerhouse offers both monthly and annual subscriptions. While the monthly option provides flexibility, the annual plan unlocks significant savings. Zoho Projects. Manage your projects with ease using Zoho Projects. Similar to Zoho CRM, you'll find both monthly and annual billing options, with the annual plan offering a more budget-friendly approach. Zoho Books. Keep your finances in check with Zoho Books. Again, you get the choice of monthly or annual subscriptions, with the annual plan offering a cost advantage. The story remains consistent across most Zoho applications. Monthly plans offer flexibility, but annual subscriptions unlock significant cost savings. The free trial. A glimpse before you leap. Here's some good news. Zoho offers a free trial for most of its applications, typically lasting for 15 days. This allows you to test drive the features and see if they fit your business needs before committing to a paid plan. Think of it as a test kitchen for your software needs. Sample the functionalities, explore the user interface, and see if Zoho aligns with your workflow. It's a fantastic way to make an informed decision before diving into a paid subscription. So, can you leverage Zoho's power with a monthly subscription? Absolutely. However, be prepared for a potential price increase compared to the annual option. The choice is yours. Flexibility versus savings. Ultimately, the decision boils down to your budget and business needs. If cash flow is tight and you crave maximum flexibility, a monthly Zoho subscription might be the way to go. However, if you're looking to maximize your savings and have a more predictable budget, the annual plan with its significant discounts might be the smarter long-term choice. Remember, the free trial is your best friend here. Utilize it to its full potential and make an informed decision based on your specific business requirements. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.